Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my experience of traveling to Thailand from Bangalore. So this is my second time in the country. This time around I'm planning to explore some of the places I didn't get to see last time, including North Thailand and islands. Last time when I was in Bangkok, I mostly stayed in the tourist areas. This time I want to venture out and explore some of the less touristy areas of Thailand.
Feeling Vishwanathan entering your international flight.
I have gone to China before this.
Don't tell what have you done.
What have you done there?
And finally, the most common sight from a night flight is the twinkling lights of the cities. Last time when I went to Thailand, that was the first flight. First excitement of takeoff is special. You will feel the G-forces pushing you back into your seat, and you may also feel a little bit of nervousness, which is quite normal and exciting. We have landed at Thailand airport and now waiting for our visas. Sonia, finally we have landed. So what do you feel?
Waiting for our visas. Exactly. Well, this guy is watching us soon.
Live चल रहा है क्या?
Live?
Live चल रहा है क्या?
Yeah.
Welcome guys. Enjoy, explore.
Even last time we had gone,
Pattaya, Phuket, Phi, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, and Laos.
So after
That's
collecting
it for the
our
day,
15
man.
days visa, we were super happy and now heading towards the metro station to go to Pattaya. Since ours was a self-planned budget backpacking trip, choosing the right destination, researching about the trails and packing the right gear was definitely a task. So we have reached the metro station. Here we are booking the train tickets for upcoming trips to North Thailand from Bangkok. After booking the tickets, we are heading towards the bus point where we'll go to one destination, and from there we'll be traveling to Pattaya in an
Trip map easily. And that is the new camera person. New blogger. With the gimbal.
This is our first day of Thailand. We have reached airport by about 5 a.m. in the morning.
backpacks,
Because
one in the front, one in the back.
you land up
Pic
in
will be
planning
uploaded by her. And next thing, don't go behind tours and travels. Make your own itinerary, make your own bookings, and you will save lots and lots of money. Okay, enjoy.
And one more thing I want to add on. You did not to pursue buying SIM cards over here. Don't buy at all at airports. SIM cards are very costly. You can buy in some inland stations. Secondly, buying it is not required because you can offline download the Google Maps from the Google Map application, and you can put the navigation on anyway, which is generally required when you are traveling outside your hostel or hotel. So SIM cards not required. However, if you feel so, you can.
So these are few city shots captured. You can enjoy watching them. So basically we are staying in hostels. So we have pre-booked a hostel in Pattaya.
We are hiring a local taxi to reach the hostel. Just now we have reached Pattaya.
The backpacks were too heavy. Credit to my husband who's carrying it. Oh my god, finally we have reached Kane Hostel. We were waiting for check-in, and in between that we just went outside and had some food. The ambience was really good. They had different types of indoor games, and also breakfast was included. Little love from Kane Hostel. A small little cookie box was gifted, including Thai cookies, coconut cookies, and then strawberry toffees and all, gummy toffees. It was really good. Even the packaging box was so cute. Finally received our key cards, toiletries, everything, and then we are going inside. I'll show you a small room tour. So we are entering our hostel, room number 205. We have already kept our luggages here, and this is our hostel. This is our bed. Yeah, it's so cozy. Where we need to insert our key, you can show. Okay.
That's how you can use your locker. There's a small locker and then nothing much, but then yeah, you have those utility charger things. And then
Thank
we have
you.
washrooms out there.
Washrooms, yeah. Outside we have right side for men, and there we have for females. This is a cute mirror. Hi. Let's check out the outside view. Nothing much, but cute and cool. We'll be uploading more details and amazing tourist spots of Thailand. Thanks for watching.